Welcome to our discussion on how to shed excess weight and achieve a healthier, more balanced body. When it comes to weight loss, protein is your secret weapon. Protein not only keeps you feeling satisfied and full for longer, but also helps preserve lean muscle mass while promoting fat loss. In this segment, we will explore a range of protein-rich options that will support your weight loss journey and help you achieve sustainable results. Get ready to rev up your metabolism and discover the power of protein in your quest for a healthier, happier you. Poultry such as chicken and turkey breast is an excellent choice for high protein and low fat content. These lean sources of protein can help you feel fuller for longer and provide the necessary amino acids for preserving muscle mass while losing weight. Fish and seafood. Fish and seafood are not only rich in protein but also low in calories. They provide essential omega-3 fatty acids and contribute to a healthy heart. Options like salmon, tuna, sardines, and shrimp are nutritious choices that can support your weight loss efforts. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a versatile and satisfying high-protein food. It contains less lactose and more protein than regular yogurt. Greek yogurt can be enjoyed as a snack or incorporated into various recipes to boost protein intake and aid in weight management. Legumes. Legumes including beans, lentils, and chickpeas are not only rich in protein but also high in fiber. This combination helps promote feelings of fullness and can assist in controlling appetite. Incorporating legumes into your meals can contribute to a well-rounded, high-protein and weight loss-friendly diet. Eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein and provide essential vitamins and minerals. They are also relatively low in calories, making them a great choice for weight loss. Incorporate eggs into your meals, such as omelets or salads, to increase protein content and support your weight loss journey. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are not only rich in protein but also high in fiber and healthy fats. They can be added to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal to boost protein content and provide a feeling of satiety. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are a complete source of protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. They are also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which can have additional health benefits. Seitan, also known as wheat gluten, is a popular plant-based protein source. It is high in protein and low in fat and carbohydrates, making it a suitable option for weight loss. Edamame. Edamame is a young soybean that is a great source of plant-based protein. It is also high in fiber and provides various vitamins and minerals. Turkey breast. Turkey breast is a lean source of protein that is low in fat and calories. It can be incorporated into salads, sandwiches, or stir-fries for a satisfying and weight loss-friendly meal. Remember, incorporating a variety of high-protein foods into your diet, along with regular physical activity and a balanced overall eating plan, can help support your weight loss journey. It's important to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to create a personalized meal plan that suits your specific needs and goals.